All right, so in our area of Melbourne Beach, one of the organizations that we like to support is the Sea Turtle Preservation. So we have their truck. We're going to do a series of videos on their truck, some different things that may be broken or just need a little bit of attention to keep the Sea Turtle Preservation truck up and running. All right, so here we have a 2006 Chevy Colorado. This is part of our ongoing series for the Sea Turtle Preservation. One of the things that we noticed on this truck, it is a manual AC selection. The only blower motor feature that we have is on the 4th speed, so we're missing 1, 2, and 3 speeds. So we're going to go ahead and replace the blower resistor now. So we're underneath the passenger side glove box here. You can see someone's been playing with it. We got a little bit of a cardboard deal here holding the connector in or something. We'll go ahead and remove it. All right. Make sure it looks like, oh, yeah. All right. Looks like we got a little burnt connector there. So we're gonna need to replace that connector also. That's so we don't damage our new one. See if, so we ordered a new blower resistor from Auto Parts Direct to You. Sometimes they come with a new pigtail. Let's check here. All right, so it did not come with the with a new pigtail. We'll go ahead and remove the old resistor first. All right, so we're going to go ahead and install our new resistor here. Since we have a burn up connector, we're going to go ahead and replace the connector for one. And then the second thing is we're going to do a new blower motor. This is typically the reason why this happens. So we'll start off by installing our new pigtail connector. All right, so I just want to make sure that we put all our connections back in the same spot. So we'll do one at a time. We're going to be doing this one. We'll go ahead and make the wire a little shorter though. All right, connector. The new pigtail connector was supplied with some butt connectors that are heat shrinkable. All right, so we got one done. We'll go ahead and repeat that same process with the rest of them. All right, so now that we have our connections done, we'll go ahead and remove the blower motor now. I should take that off. All right, so 1, speed 2, 3, all right. Everything works out. So we're all finished with this one.